Hi guys, it's TikTok, and today we're going to be making slime with Pheadra. And today we're going to make fluffy slime. Where's your bathroom? Hold on a sec. Yes, and today we're going to be fluffy slime. And I'm going to be doing magenta or red. I'm doing black. Sorry if it's super dark lighting. It's always dark lighting because I'm sitting up here. We have to make slime in here. Alright then. So first let's add it in the glue. We're not going to add in all of the glue because you don't have to mix. Okay. Let's add in the glue. Woo! Glue. Here you go. Ow! Okay, so then we have to mix in the we can just mix in the food coloring if you want. I was mixing in the glue for no reason. Mine is going to be a beautiful magenta. Mine's going to be a beautiful black. I like black. It's my favorite color. Mine too. Not like we're not being racist. Yeah. Other kind. Like the container. The container. I'm going to add more magenta. Gotta add black. Ooh. More magenta. Woo. Ooh. Pretty. Pretty. Alright, then we add in shaving cream. I think this is how. Oh. Here. Uh-oh. It needs to be shook real well. Shaving cream. Okay, want more? There's not that much in there. But whatever. You could use like lotion or hand soap, whatever. Ooh, yours is like galaxy. Mine is like lavender. What if I add a little red in there? One drop. One drop or two. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this bloody red. I don't like it. Kind of make it like a weird magenta color. Plus, you don't even see the red. You only see it a little bit. So, this is my slime. This is Pheadra's. It's all black. It's actually gray in real life. Yeah, it's just the color in the camera. It doesn't really match. Ooh, mine's beautiful. Here, let me add more magenta. Can't really see the magenta. Whoa. Ooh, girl. Okay, there we go. Ooh, yeah. Now it's black. And then we have to add in the borax and water. I use that. I wish we had Stay Float. Yeah. Okay, here, let's do this. Yeah. So we can see the slime more better. Let's add borax and water, and you can put glitter if you want. I'm going to put in blue glitter as well. Yours is like galaxy. Woo! Look at that. Woo. So pop and glittery. Pop and glittery. Then we have to add in the borax and water. Our slime is not really fluffy though, but whatever, I don't care. We don't care. It sounds so bad. I know. A lot of my slimes turn out a flop. Because we don't have any contact solution, so all of my slime is going to be slime. Okay, no, that's not ready. Oh, stay tuned. Just kidding.
Is it paused?
No, it's not.
Oh, well, I'm going to be mixing it in my slime. You can't see it on camera, but it's like, well, now you can see it on my hand. Man, I love slime.
Did you pause it?
Yeah, I'll pause it.
Okie dokie. My slime's not turning out good. It's not. Don't worry, once you knead it, it'll be better. It's still pretty sticky. Borax and water makes it really, like,
Time to knead it.
chunky.
Look, it's time to knead it.
It's sticky.
I don't like this. I hate having to knead slime.
Yeah,
It's like if you're
so
just straight
sticky.
My hands are
Oh my quad. Your hands are this color container, black.
Can you get me some more of that
What?
borax and water?
Yeah. Oh,
Not too much, not too much.
I know. Try.
There.
Oh.
A little bit. That should cover it.
Oh my gosh.
I love making slime, but I hate having to knead it.
Yeah. Oh.
This looks like a freaking face mask.
Yeah. When you like peel it. Oh, I've kneaded slime so many times before. I think this is going to be a total flop.
Mine is so hard. That's what she said.
No, mine is going to be a total flop. Yeah.
Squish this.
Ooh, nice. But we need to make ours stretchy. How can we make it stretchy? Mine's not stretchy.
Lotion?
Oh, lotion.
Do you have lotion?
Yeah, but my mom won't let us use it.
She's not here to defend herself. Hey guys, this is the tip. So before you pour in the borax and water, just not willy-nilly, put some in your spoon and start stirring. Good tip, trust me. It will help whenever you make slime. Because then it turns all pudgy. Pudgy wudgy. Here, why don't you make
mine?
Why don't you make another one and use the exact tip I just gave you?
Okay.
Make it like a light red, because it will look almost the same. Okay, she's gonna do hers. It's gonna be like this.
Yeah. Thank you, Pheadra, for doing the tip. Whoa, too much glue.
It's okay. Okay,
Alright,
so let's
do the magenta.
Before you do anything, wait. Oh no, there's no more. Oh, shoot.
It's fine.
Okay.
Let's mix it all in.
Mix, mix.
Oh, because some of the borax is in here. Okay, like have a spoonful? Not a spoonful, but...
No, not like that. Start mixing. Always how I've done it.
Whoa.
See, it helps a lot.
See, look at that. So good.
This slime.
So that is a tip from Pheadra. Or
Go subscribe to the Maui Friends.
yes. And subscribe to me. I'm at 30 subs. Thank you so much.
We're at 39.
No, Maui Friends 8 and 9 is at like 49.
What?
Amy told me.
This slime is still good for poking. You can use that for musicals.
Yeah, poking, but not
Here,
stretching.
do you want me to mix this up and do it? You can play this one.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. So I'm gonna finish up her slime. How you know if it's ready to knead is you hold it up like that.
Ooh, I love your slime. Yeah, we can do that for musicals. Scrunch it. Can't stretch it though. But this would be great for musicals. This would be so good. It's like bubblegum slime.
But it's black.
Yeah.
These little things of glue just imagine if you were glue and you got put in this, you got made in this slime and you're like the happiest thing. That'd be so fun. I'm weird. I imagine weird stuff. Like imagine if you were water and you got drank. It would suck.
The slime farted.
Oh no! Hey, at least it doesn't stick to your hair easily.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, dun. Last night I stuck slime in my hair and I washed it out.
You washed it?
Yeah. I put soap and water in my hand and I mixed it together. And right now I'm just
The
water.
coolest swirl ever.
See, look. Yours is getting better.
Woo.
That's so nasty. Not done yet. Warning you.
Great for musicals. Oh, check out my Musical.ly account, Max Tax Tackies.
M-A-C, right?
No, MAKTACS, Max Tax TACKS. Wait, no. Well, whatever. But we don't want to make this video too long.
It's only 13 minutes.
Well, you can't. Pheadra finished my slime, and it's all good. I can mix it with this now.
To be honest, hers is better.
No. Mine's a tiny slime.
Mine's fat.
Just going to add a little bit more borax, because this is oopsie daisy.
You didn't do the tip correctly.
I don't care, just kidding.
So what I've seen, I've never done this, but get all of the slime that's in your thing. Whoa, my shirt. At least it's my weekend shirt.
Sorry, I'm no longer accepting homework.
Yeah, I'm never
accepting homework either again. Wait, either again?
Is it? Same thing.
But look at my slime. It's so bad, but I don't care. This is great for
my
music.
slime.
Yeah.
Mine's bad.
Mine's bad.
They're
It rips
both good.
easily. I love yours.
Can I make another small one?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we do a part 2? It's already
Yeah.
14 minutes. Bye,
Bye,
part
guys.
2.